We spend our entire lives working, saving, and sacrificing toward a single ultimate moment: retirement. But what does financial independence actually look like when you finally cross those major savings milestones? The reality is that reaching a specific net worth isn't just about the number on your screen. The difference between a $1 million, $2 million, and $5 million nest egg changes absolutely everything about your daily life. It dictates your stress levels, your real-world lifestyle options, your healthcare choices, and how you manage your taxes. Understanding these shifts is critical so you can accurately plan for the exact future you want to build. Here is exactly what changes at every single level. Crossing the $1 million mark is a massive achievement that puts you ahead of the vast majority of savers. However, the modern reality of a $1 million retirement is all about optimization, careful cost control, and baseline security. Using a standard conservative 4% withdrawal rate, a $1 million portfolio generates exactly $40,000 of sustainable, inflation-adjusted annual income. For almost anyone living in a modern economy, $40,000 a year is not enough to fund a lavish lifestyle. This means you will still rely heavily on your monthly Social Security benefits just to maintain a comfortable basic standard of living. At this $1 million tier, your lifestyle is stable but highly constrained. You have to budget carefully for every single vacation, and major unexpected financial shocks can threaten your security. If your house needs a brand new roof, or if you run into a sudden automotive or family emergency, pulling several $1,000s out of your principal balance can permanently damage your long-term plan. This creates what economists call sequence of returns risk, where market downturns early in retirement combined with principal withdrawals can cause you to run out of money too early. Furthermore, healthcare is your biggest wild card at this stage. If you decide to retire early before the age of 65, you must meticulously manage your taxable income. You have to keep it low enough to qualify for heavy Affordable Care Act insurance subsidies. Paying full private medical premiums completely out of pocket can rapidly drain a $1 million nest egg before Medicare ever kicks in. Your daily focus here is entirely on defensive money management. When you double your savings and cross the $2 million milestone, your financial framework undergoes a major psychological shift. You move away from defensive survival and transition into true comfort and flexibility. A $2 million portfolio safely provides $80,000 a year in retirement income using that same 4% rule. When you combine this $80,000 with standard Social Security payments, your total household cash flow climbs into the six-figure range. This level of funding allows you to live comfortably and independently in most mid-cost of living areas without constant financial anxiety. At $2 million, the daily friction of managing money starts to fade. You can finally absorb sudden household emergencies, appliance failures, or vehicle repairs directly out of your standard annual cash flow without ever touching your core investment principle. Travel changes from a rare, stressful, carefully budgeted event into a predictable, relaxing annual habit. You also gain immense structural freedom regarding your healthcare decisions. While pre-65 health insurance is still a major factor to track, you now have the financial breathing room to pay standard insurance premiums out of pocket if your investment strategies require you to show a higher taxable income. Financially, your active focus shifts from basic cost cutting towards strategic tax bracket management. You will spend your time balancing withdrawals across traditional retirement accounts, Roth accounts, and taxable brokerage accounts to keep your lifetime tax bill as low as possible. Finally, reaching the $5 million milestone transitions your retirement completely out of the ordinary. A $5 million nest egg safely unlocks $200,000 of annual inflation-adjusted income before you even factor in a single dollar of Social Security. At this elite tier, the fundamental question completely changes. You are no longer asking if your money will last throughout your lifetime. Instead, your focus shifts entirely toward lifestyle optimization, luxury choices, and long-term wealth preservation. A $5 million retirement delivers ultimate high-end financial freedom. At this level, you can comfortably maintain multiple properties, travel internationally in premium first-class tiers, and completely outsource daily chores like landscaping, cooking, and home maintenance to buy back your valuable time. You never have to worry about healthcare subsidies or insurance premium brackets, as you can easily afford the highest tier private insurance or direct concierge medical care. Your financial management scales up to advanced wealth protection. You or your financial advisors will focus heavily on complex strategies like tax loss harvesting, structural Roth conversion pipelines to blunt future required minimum distributions, and comprehensive estate planning. True wealth at this level isn't about buying material items to impress other people. It is about achieving absolute unbreakable control over your time, your schedule, and your peace of mind.